how the gas valve in a gas dryer works. In this video, I have taken a gas dryer apart to be able to show you how the gas valve, the igniter, and the flame sensor work. When you set the timer in any of the heating cycles and you push the push to start button, the motor is supposed to start running. Then the igniter should start glowing. The heat from the igniter opens the flame sensor switch, the gas valve opens, and the dryer starts heating. The gas will continue to flow until the operating thermostat reaches 155 degrees and turn the gas valve off. When the operating thermostat cools down, it closes the contacts and the heating sequence starts all over again. The igniter will start glowing. It will open the flame sensor and the gas valve will open. The gas valve is going to continue to open and close until all the time on the timer has run off. I hope that this video helped you understand how a gas dryer works.